It's large and expensive, and Ray was not every day. He went through the kitchen. She cleaned all the rooms in the house before breakfast. Immediately, she started to work as a housemaid with a rich family in London. I haven't got a job, or a house, or a car. I've got a flat in London and a house in Hollywood with a swimming pool. Then in the evenings, I sometimes go to the theater or the opera with friends. He's got a job, he's got a car, he has got a big house, he's got a flat. On Fridays, I come home from the BBC at about 2 in the afternoon and I just relax. On the 1st of June, 1992, a French burglar broke into a house in Paris. Early, routine, regularly, always, necessary, successful, period, maintain, sequence, silently, interest, effective, revision, active, common, definition, absolutely, probably, particular, occasion, title, similar, maximum, minimum, continue, explanation, explain, target, question, list, example, instance, record, education, organize, about, across, country, because, translation, synonym, antonym, opposite, decision, love, journey, chemist, sharply, concentrate, rescue, forget, loyalty, blouse, homeless, mistake, track it, earth, ground, sentence, important,